Welcome back to the channel, fellow adventurers. If you're new here, we do EDC gear and knife reviews. If you like that kind of content, subscribe to the channel. All right, folks, we have something new from Freetiger. As you know, I've reviewed Freetiger in the past, and I really liked what I got from them. So they reached out and said, do you want to review another knife? And I said, sure, absolutely. And then they asked me to pick one. So I picked this one. This is the FT2103. And let's open it up and see what we have in the box. So first thing you get is a Freetiger microfiber cloth. Nice touch. I like it. And then you get the knife. All right, let's get this out of here. I know I'm going to have trouble with this baggie, right? No? Okay, we got it. We got it. I promise you we'll get this open. All right, there we go. So, let's take a look at this. This one is the carbon fiber handle. This comes in a few different colors. G10 handles, micarta handles. They offer it in a lot of colorways. So let's get it open and see what we have. As you can see, we've got a drop point blade that comes in at 3.48 inches. You've got the Freetiger logo there. It's a D2 steel that's titanium coated. What that titanium coating does, it helps fight corrosion, which we all know D2 is susceptible to. The carbon fiber handles are chamfered. Wow, they feel really good. You don't have that sharp corner. They did a nice job with that. I don't know if you'll be able to see that on camera, but they did a really good job. And this is carbon fiber over steel liners. So it is a real carbon fiber, which is a nice touch. You can actually see it when you turn it to the side. It's got a non-reversible semi-deep carry clip. It's not fully deep carry, but it'll be close enough. You'll have just a tiny little bit sticking out. It's a full 4-finger grip, thumb stud deployable, access bar style lock. Really great action and great lockup. No up and down play, no side to side. And again, you've got that beautiful fidget factor with the bar lock. And they give you a decent sharpening choil if that's your thing. If you're worried about sharpening, they do give you a nice sharpening choil there. So that's a good touch. The fit and finish is very good on this. I almost got myself. But yeah, the fit and finish, really impressed with it, especially at a knife in this price point. This is around the $28, $30 mark, depending on when you get it. But for the materials, that's fantastic. And you can just hear that sound. Let's do that again. Just awesome. Feels really good. Now let's compare it size-wise to some other knives. Overall, again, this is 3.43 inches. Handle length of 4.21 inches. Overall, this comes in at 7.32 inches. So decent sized knife. But let's compare that up against a Spyderco Para 3. So very similar in size, slightly bigger handle. And then up against a Kaiser Militar. So it's a little smaller than the Militar. Slightly longer than the Para 3 lightweight. And right in the middle. I think it's a really good size if you're looking for something a little bit bigger. Weight-wise, this comes in at just about 3.5 ounces. So not very heavy at all. So it's got that really nice feel. But what do we need a knife to do? We need a knife to cut. So let's check out how sharp it is. Let's grab some little notepad paper. Look at that. That is super sharp. Wow. See look at that. Just beautifully sharp. All right, let's cut some paracord with it. First, we got a little piece of paracord here. Let's cut that. No problem at all. We will show it again. And now we'll take a piece of paracord and we'll double it up. Will we? Yes, we'll double this up. All right. Let's get that doubled up right there. No problem. Just easy peasy, slicey like you can't believe. So I think at the price point, it feels good. It's built well. Obviously you can see it's sharp. My only complaint is, one, it's only good for righties. They should have drilled this out so that way you could reverse the clip. Because with the bar lock, it's an ambidextrous, perfect knife, except the fact that they didn't make the clip two-way. The other complaint I have, and it's just minor, there's no jimping. I really wish there were jimping up here. This is very smooth. So you might slide a little bit if you're trying to hold it with your thumb, unless you put a lot of pressure. I'd really like some jimping on there. But for the price point, I mean, at $28, real carbon fiber, D2 steel, titanium coated, great weight on that. I think it's done really, really well. So again, I want to thank Freetiger for sending that over for me to try out because I really like it, and I'm actually going to put that into my carry rotation. All right, folks, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you like this kind of content, subscribe to the channel. And as I always say, we do these live shows on Sunday nights at 11 p.m. Eastern Time. We have a lot of fun with those. We talk knives, we talk EDC gear, we talk about anything under the sun. They're just a lot of fun. So come by Sunday night, hang out. We usually go hour and a half, 2 hours, and they're just a ball. All right, folks, as I always say, until we meet again, keep your blade sharp